So I wanted to show you guys what this ottoman that turns into stairs actually looks like. So it actually looks really beautiful. The legs down here were, when I first got it, disconnected, and then you just have to screw them on. Really easy assembly. The fabric and the material itself is made really well. Just a cloth fabric, and it does have a tab right here that you can pull on, and it transforms into stairs. So wanted to give you an honest look at what these stairs look like. And this is lifted up enough to where it can elevate, several feet off the ground, and it is adjustable as well. But our couch is probably about 2 feet, 3 feet off the ground, and this gives plenty of runway for our dogs to jump up here. This would also be good for a lower bed. If you have a really high bed frame, then this might not be quite tall enough. I've got a tape measure here, and it looks like it's measuring at about 1 foot 9 inches, so about pretty close to 2 feet, but not quite, for the height on this. And I just love how easy it is when you're done to just go ahead and pull this back up, and then it turns into an ottoman. So really nice to have at the edge of a bed, at the edge of a couch. And for our senior pups, it makes it a little bit easier for them to get up and down off of the couch, the bed, and any other furniture that they might be laying on. I appreciate that the stairs are padded and covered in carpet. It's lightweight enough to where it can be easily picked up and turned into an ottoman, but it also isn't so light that it's made of cheap materials. Like, it's made out of sturdy, solid materials. I didn't really have to assemble anything except for the legs on the bottom, which just screw in. And when my dogs are done using the stairs, it turns into an ottoman, and then I can use it as a comfortable footrest. It is padded on the top like a memory foam type material, and it looks really nice as an ottoman by itself, as a modern furniture home decor piece. As I hope your dogs get a lot of value out of these stairs, they like the stairs, they enjoy them, and that you also enjoy the furniture piece, the ottoman, and everything that comes with this. And guys, have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one.